Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And well, this month of February, believe it or not, it actually will make a year since the introduction of Microsoft chatbot AI and, of course, the release of Copilot. And, well, at first, 2023 was a very big AI year. We talked about it all the time, talked about it in the news. There was the chat GPT. It's kind of slowed down. We still have it in the news, like with the fake images that were created and even videos created with Taylor Swift and all. So it's still there. And but in the Windows sphere, I'm just wondering who actually uses Copilot or any of its features. A year later, I don't think has changed much Windows, except the fact that a lot of people found that there's an annoying app now on their PC that wasn't there before, including in the Edge browser that you can also, of course, remove. But all of that is here, and this is pretty interesting that a year later, we're hearing about Microsoft wanting to have pretty much AI 2.0 in the next version of Windows and talk about how it's going to change our future in the next version of Windows. With all the PCs now that are lining up with maybe NPUs for neural processing and making all of this a lot faster and with much more performance and much more powerful too. So my question to you is, what did the Bing AI chatbot and, of course, subsequent Copilot do to you? You don't care. You use it sometimes. You don't want it. And why not share your thoughts? As this month, it's a year already. Time just flies. It's incredible. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.